In this video, we will cover cycle graph navigation, specifically how to isolate, add, and remove curves within the RJG CoPilot software. On the main CoPilot screen that shows the 4 quadrants, cycle graph, alarm settings, summary graph, and job overview, to focus on the cycle graph and make it bigger, you can select and hold the circle in the middle of the screen, and drag it down to resize the windows. You can also simply double-select the cycle graph to make it larger. To the left of the cycle graph is a list of the curves currently displayed on the graph. To view names of the curves, select the arrow to expand the Curves menu. We can see that the curves in this graph are plastic pressure, post gate 1, in green; plastic pressure, post gate 2, in lime green; plastic pressure, injection, in red; and RJG stroke volume, screw, in magenta. Let's take a look at ways to isolate one of those curves. If you want to isolate one of the curves, meaning to see only one of the curves on the graph at a time, select and hold the name of that curve. For our example, we'll select RJG stroke volume, screw, and you can see that the names of the other curves turn gray, and we only see the pink stroke volume graph line. To see all of the current curves after isolating one, let go of the hold, and all the curves return to view. Another method for isolating a curve is to select one of the names of the curves on the Curve menu. And while holding it down, slide to move the curve name to the right. The name will stay in that position, isolating the curve for further cycles, and showing the other curves in a slight shadow. To stop the isolation, simply select the curve name, and drag it back to the left, and all curves will reappear. Let's take a look at how to add curves to a cycle graph. If you want to add a curve to the graph, select Add on the bottom of the Curves menu. From here, you can choose to add machine curves, mold curves, or composite mold curves. If we select machine curves, all of the variable types for that type of curve are listed. Anything that is in green has already been added to the graph. From here, we can see that plastic pressure and RJG stroke volume have already been added to our current graph. For our example, if we wanted to add stroke velocity within machine curves, under variable type, we would first select stroke velocity. Then, under location, we would select screw. To add this curve to our graph, we then select Done. And now we can see that the stroke velocity screw curve has been added to the graph in dark pink. If we select and hold on that curve name to isolate it, you can see the curve initially goes up high and then comes back down, showing a second velocity, and then goes to 0. Now, let's see how to remove curves in a cycle graph. Curves can also be removed using the Curves menu by first selecting the Remove button at the bottom of the screen. After the Remove button is selected, you'll see an X next to each of the curves on the list. For example, if we wanted to remove the stroke velocity curve that we just added, we would select the X next to the name of the curve to select it. And then select Apply to confirm removal of the curve. We can now see that the stroke velocity curve has been removed. Thank you for watching this video regarding cycle graph navigation, add, remove, and isolate curves within the CoPilot software. For further assistance, please refer to the product manual or contact our customer support department at support@rjginc.com or by calling 1-800-472-0566.